What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing step by step with no website and no money to get started. If you're new here, please subscribe, smash that like button. And I've had a lot of people asking, how can I get started with affiliate marketing without a website? That's the biggest concern I see. People are like, they don't know how to build a website, or they just don't have one, or they don't know what to do. And if you're new and you don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is promoting somebody else's product, so you do not own the product. When that product sells, you receive a commission for that sale based off of the price and the agreements. And I'm going to show you how you can find products to promote and also how to get them in front of an audience, which is also another popular question I get is, how do I get an audience for this product, especially when I don't have like a huge following on social media. So as always, let's jump into the computer without all the fluff, and you can see I'm on a blank web page, it looks like. But if you look over here, it's called sites.google.com. This is a free Google tool that you could build a website on, absolutely free. And I'm not saying it's going to be a very complex website, but it'll be a very simple landing page for an article, so you can put your affiliate link into that article, and that way you can put the article out on social platforms to be seen by other people. So to make sense of that, stay with me step by step and watch exactly what we do. So first, you're going to want to determine what niche you want to be in. And when I say niche, that means category. So the top 3 categories are health, wealth, and relationships. Health could be anything about the human body, like dieting, keto dieting, weightlifting, exercising, weight gaining, like stuff like that. Just the health of the body. Then wealth is obviously financial stuff, whether it's credit information, making money, anything of that industry that has to do with wealth and credit management, anything financial. And then relationships is relationships. So for the sake of this video, we're going to talk about health because it's a very popular niche and a good niche to get into. So first, I want you to open up a sites.google.com webpage like this. It'll look just like this. If this is a blank document, you'll have to have a Gmail account, but that's also free. Then open up a new tab in Google. So for example, I said we're going to talk about health. Let's do keto diets. So I'm going to type best keto diet. As you can see, best keto diet into the Google search bar. And I'm going to look at articles to kind of give me an idea. I don't want to copy the article word for word, but I want to get a baseline of what a keto diet is and put it in my own words. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to copy this article, but I'm not. If I was actually going to publish this, I would change some information and put it in my own words. And if you have a really, really hard time writing or coming up with terminology, you can always go to a website called Fiverr. Here, I'll open it up real quick just so you can take note, fiverr.com. It will look like this, and you could type in copywriting. You just type the word copywriting. This is a freelance website. I will deliver the only copywriting you will ever need. This is, you could type in the word copywriting, article writing, blog writing, and you could hire somebody for literally $5, $35, $25 to write articles for you. And you could give them reference articles. But again, let's come back over to here, and I'll leave a link in the description for that website. But come over here, let's just say a keto diet meal plan. So let's just copy this. This is going to be our title. So keto diet meal plan. I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to come back over here, your page title, and I'm literally going to paste it right there. I may open this up a little wider so it is like that. And then I'm going to backspace it so it's centered. I'm going to make this a little smaller. And then what you have it there. That's my alignment. I'm going to hit center align probably. Try to put it in the center. Something like that. You could enter your site name up here or add a logo if you would like. Super simple to do. You could change the background image right here. You could change your header type. Super simple. Just change image, upload a new image. Anything you want to do like that. You could change the header type if you want a large banner, a cover. We're just on a regular banner or a title only. See where it gets rid of it? Banner, large banner, and then a cover, which is like a cover sheet. We'll just go with a banner to keep it simple and keep it clean. Click here to add text. I already actually dragged this over, I think. Let me delete this so I can show you. So there's nothing here. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll see layouts. You could do 2, 3, whatever you want to do. These are just different layouts. I'm just going to grab the first one, for the sake of this video and do that. So now I'm going to edit text here. Here, this is title text, this is body text, separated by a divider here. And you could either have large or small text. And then I have an image here. So let's go back to the article. And let's say we scroll down, ketogenic diet basics. Again, like I said, you don't want to copy word for word, but I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that up here in the top. Obviously, I could change the colors. I could do bold. I could change the style, for heading, small, what size text I want, or anything like that. Or I could delete this altogether. Now I want to add the text below it. So come right back down here, and we're going to add this text just for the sake of the video. Hit copy, you come back, I'm going to add it there. Something like that. Obviously, I would format it a little bit better to make it actually look good, but let's just say we'll do small, see what it looks like. Not good enough. You would want to format it and you would want to get rid of the links. Again, like I said, that's going to be totally up to you. Let's change that back though to normal text. And yeah, like I would clean it up like that. Again, like that. And like that. Now let's go back. We're going to get an image. I'm just going to screenshot this one. If you're on a Mac, you could do Command-Shift-4 for a screenshot. I'm just going to screenshot this image. Obviously, you'll want to go to a website like Pexels, PEXELS.com, and you can get a free royalty image. I'll pull that website up right now, PEXELS.com. Here you could get, go to their main website, search for free photos and videos. We can just type the word diet. We could type photos, and these are royalty free for you to use. I could literally just click this, click free download, and it downloaded right there. I'm going to open that up. And once it opens, I could change the name. There, it opened right there. I'm just going to change it. I'm going to actually use that one just to show you guys for this video. I'll put it on my desktop. Pexels Pixabay, and then I'll exit it. Let's actually upload it here. Remove. I'm going to insert an image again. So come over here on the right. Where's the images? Oh, nope. Undo. Command Z. Actually, let me just undo that one again. More editing options, replace image, upload. Pexels. I think that was the one we just got. Open it. If it'll fit, it might not fit. We'll have to, yeah. That way it fits the length of this, just like that. And there we go. It's a very simple, as you can see, that's not super complex. I didn't put much work into it, much effort. I could actually go in here and change this image as well. Let's do that other image we, oh dang. What was that screenshot we did? Let's go back here. Let me screenshot that. I'm gonna show you how to do this. We'll take this and then I'll hit change image, upload. I'll grab this real quick and drop it right there. Open. And then there we go. I have a nice little website. It's free to use. And so now I'm going to want to put the affiliate link into this article. And the affiliate link is responsible for generating our commissions. That's how we're going to get paid. So now we have to go find a product we want to promote. So first thing I recommend you do is go to a website called clickbank.com, and then you're going to want to sign up. After you sign up, it'll bring you into your dashboard. And then after you're in your dashboard, you'll go to Marketplace. On the left-hand side, it'll say click Marketplace or affiliate Marketplace, and you go to Marketplace. We are in the health niche. So I'm going to scroll down here on the left-hand side where it says health and fitness. I'm going to click it. And then as you see here, it's ranked from high to low, which this is the best-selling products. However, I have an article on keto. So I'm going to look, this is the title of the product. And this is the average conversion, which is the average commission you will receive for a sale. But let's find something for keto. And I believe there's something in here. Custom keto diet right here. Custom keto diet. So if I promote this product, I get $41.99. Let's take a look at the product. So I'm going to click the link. And this is the landing page our customers will come to. It'll be a custom diet plan for keto. So now I know what the product is. I'd probably go through this a little bit more just to see what it is and watch the video. but we're not going to do that right now. So let's just go back right here, custom keto diet plan. We want to click promote. I'll bring this over here. So now you can promote, you have an account nickname that's assigned to you. Mine's that. I'm going to hit generate hop links. After I generate the hop links, this is my affiliate link. And what an affiliate link is it has a unique, a tracking ID in it, which it's an affiliate ID that tracks back to you. So you receive a commission anytime somebody goes through that link. So now you're just going to hit copy that you have successfully copied your hop link. I'm now going to go back to my article, Ketogenic Diet Basics. I'm going to put, very first thing I'm going to put at the top of this is going to be maybe like a subheading, a little bit larger text. I'm going to put get a personalized keto diet plan built just for you. Click, all capital, click here to get your plan today, or something like that. Obviously, I hit enter. Get here, plan today. And then I'm going to want to highlight this. You don't want to just drop your affiliate link because people will kind of see that. Highlight it and you'll see this little button right here. It says insert link. So now I'm going to hit insert link, and the link I just copied from the marketplace for the diet plan is right here. So I'm going to paste it. I'm now going to hit apply. So now my diet plan, my link is right here. In fact, I might even bold that like that. And I might even bold this like that. And then I might even italicize this like that. So it stands out, it kind of differentiates itself from the rest of the article. So now I have a little thing, and obviously if you make it a little bit longer, you could add footers, you could continue to add more layouts. I could keep this going. I could add pages and stuff and themes if you want to do all that, but I don't want to get carried away. But you could put a divider, you could add more stuff, you could add slides, you could add documents and sheets. But I would just continue to add stuff like this, like that. And if you want to get rid of the image, you just click it and hit delete, and you can remove it. But I would continue to make it a little longer, make it actually feel like an article and make it flow. But for the sake of this, we have this right here. Now so your article's done. You literally have a free website. All you have to do is click the publish button. Web address, publish. So the web address is going to be Keto Diet Meal Plan. Or I'm going to say, Keto Diet Meal Plan. Let's see if that's available. So that's available. So you can see our website, sitesiteGoogle.com/view/keto diet meal plan. I'm going to hit publish. You have successfully published your website. I'm going to click view, and it brings me to our page. And then, so this is our URL right here. This is our affiliate link. So right here where it says click here to get your plan today, if somebody clicks that, it'll bring them to your affiliate link. And then if they purchase this and they get a keto diet plan, you will receive that commission that we talked about. Again, that commission for the keto diet plan was $41.99 on average, depending on what I guess they purchased. I didn't go through the funnel, but on average, $41.99. So if anybody goes here and they check it out. So now here is your website. You can copy your website now. You have your website and you want to get an audience to this website. So the best way to get an audience to your website, hands on the best way, is going to be Facebook. So go to Facebook, go over to your groups tab, search groups, and I've already searched keto diet. We type keto diet in, and you'll see a bunch of groups pop up. You could click see all. Our best selves on keto, there's 2.4 thousand members, 20,000 members, 275,000 members in this group right here, Keto Diet for Beginners. You can click it. This is a private group, so I probably can't see much. Yeah, it's a private group. Let's go over here to the back. Hit public groups. Okay, keto meal recipes, tips, and ideas. 156,000 members. It's public. You could go in here and you could post information. You could make posts, just relevant content. You could join the group. Relevant content, post your article, be like, hey, look, I found this article and I happen to get it has helped me a lot. I just wanted to share it to anybody if you guys are interested in checking it out. Just like this one, they have an article posted right here, same exact thing. Or you could even come under the members tab, and then you could actually look at the talk to members. Personally, I always recommend going to the new to this group tab, and then if you hover over them, you can message the member. You just hit message, and you can message them all and be like, hey, I saw you in the same keto the keto group that I'm in. You name the group, and then you'd be like, have you found anything that works? And if they say yes or no, but you'd be like, I found this article and I happen to get a meal plan from it, and I benefited from it for a lot, or I benefited a lot, or I think it's a good thing. I think it's a cool idea. Let me know what you think about it, and you just share your idea. So Facebook groups are super powerful. And then again, another one is Quora, Quora. This is a forum. You could literally search keto diets, and people ask stuff. I didn't type that right, but ketogenic type. There's 313.3 thousand people following this topic of ketogenic diets. You could come in here and people ask questions. You could answer these questions. You could put relevant content, and you could post your link to your article you created on here as well. So again, recap, sites.google.com, create a small article that looks like this, come up with a niche like the health niche, go to ClickBank and create an account, go to the marketplace, find a product to promote, and just paste it in your article like this. Then get it in front of your audience, either on Facebook or Quora or any other social platforms, by just bringing value to people. I hope that was super helpful, as simple, as step-by-step as I could get it in this video. I know it kind of dragged on a little bit, but I really hope that helped you understand this a little bit better. As always, I have an affiliate training in the description below if you're interested, or an affiliate marketing training. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.